Hi, I'm Hayden Garner, and today we'll be using 4 different methods to analyze the shape of a chemical structure. We'll be using mass spec, infrared spectroscopy, HNMR, and carbon-13 NMR. We'll begin with the mass spec. First, you look at the mass spec and you note the M+, which is the furthest peak out. In our case, it happens to be at approximately 120. Next, we will look at the base peak, which is at approximately 91, which we can note is M minus 29. Here, we calculated the DOU using the formula 2 carbons plus 2 plus the number of nitrogen minus the number of alkyl groups plus minus hydrogen, all divided by 2. In our case, we got a 2, or a 4. A 4 DOU is indicative of having a benzene ring. Next, we will move on and use infrared spectroscopy to help notice some of the bonds in our shape. In our image, we'll notice that there's nothing in the first zone. In the second zone, there are some peaks which are indicative of sp3. In the third zone, there's nothing. And in the fourth zone, we can see a peak that's related to a carbon-carbon double bond. And then the fingerprint region, which is really not very important. Next, we'll move on to the HNMR, or the hydrogen nuclear magnetic resonance image. Here, we can see 3 distinctive groups, and it is believed that the peaks here are related to the hydrogens on the benzene ring. This peak here is directly related to the end hydrogens, and both of these are related to the hydrogens on the chain. This leaves us with the suggested structure of a benzene ring with a propyl chain. Next, to confirm the structure, look at a carbon-13 NMR. In this image, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peaks that are of importance. This peak here is indicative of the carbons, or this group of peaks are indicative of the carbons that are attached within the benzene ring. And then it can be noted that the carbons that are closer to the rings, 2, 3, and 4, fall off in that order. Therefore, the importance as labeled down here, 2, 3, and 4, can be matched to these peaks, helping to confirm our overall structure using 4 different methods. My name is Hayden Garner, and thank you for your time.